Corinthians 7:6. But I say to you, this I am yielding to you, not ordering you. You know, we can be confrontation, but to suggest rather than order oftentimes is better. To advise people rather than demand is best. Okay, Luke 5:4 through verse 7. When he had stopped speaking, he said to Simon, take the boat into the deep water and let down the nets and catch some fish. You know, they knew how to fish. They didn't need to be directed by how to fish, but it took faith for them to do this. Regardless of what we think we know, we should listen to the Lord when he asks us to do something and advises us to do something. They caught fish with nets. The nets would sweep behind the boat and they'd pick up the fish. Simon answered and said to him, Sir, we have worked hard all night and caught nothing. Nevertheless, at your word, I will let down the net, because he's Lord. It's obedience. It doesn't make much sense to him, but because Jesus says that he's following his order, command, his word. And even if it don't make sense to us, we should follow his word. Verse 6, and when they did this, they caught a huge number of fish, and their net was breaking. They caught fish. They didn't catch fish without Jesus, but with Jesus, they were able to do what they weren't able to do. With Jesus, we're going to be able to do what we're not able to do without him. Verse 7, so they signaled their partners in the other boat to come to and help them. Their partners came and filled both boats until the boats nearly sank. So their cup ran over, per se. They couldn't do it on their own. But with the Lord, they did more than what they needed. You know, with the Lord, we're going to do things we think is impossible, because he makes it possible. We just got to be able to be willing to not do what makes sense to us, not do what we think, but follow his command and do what his will is.